What a long day. Oh, hey there. Well, welcome to Mr. Russell's neighborhood. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about my neighborhood. It's full of service centers, busy LTL cross docks. It's full of small blue-collar shippers, maybe 5 or 6 a day. And it's also got really big fulfillment centers in it. And we're gonna focus on everything that happens between point A and point B inside the shipping universe. Now, most people think it just gets picked up and dropped off. And if it were that easy, everybody would get their stuff on time, no matter where it was going. So I'm hoping to end a little confusion, take a little seat, and we're gonna take a deep dive into the shipping universe. Well, let's see what's on the old shipment manifest for today. Ooh, looks like a good one. Looks like good old Tom in South Carolina wants to know what the heck is an FAK. Well, good for you. I'm gonna take a deep dive into freight of all kinds for shippers that ship all kinds of freight. We're gonna learn exactly what it is, whether you need it or not, and why they even have one at all. So let's take a trip to the break room, one of my favorite spots to hang out, especially when it's hot on the dock. I'm here to talk FAK, freight of all kinds. Most shippers out there aren't that lucky. They have tons of different products. Each one of those products represents a different classification, and each classification can represent a different price point. So if your product mix is confusing and robust and it's hard to deal with, maybe you want to look at getting an FAK, and what that is it's taking an average of all your freight, your long freight, your short freight, your dense freight, and it's saying, hey, based on all this, between 50 and maybe class 150, we feel that on average, you're 92.5. And now, instead of having an assortment, you have one clean, everything's the same. So you can easily and accurately rate your shipments on one classification. Now, this isn't for everybody, and not everybody's gonna get one. The more you know, the smarter you can ship. Hey friends, I hope you found this useful, and I truly hope that my donut analogy made you more than just a little hungry, but maybe opened up your eyes to what an FAK actually is, and whether it's gonna be good for your business or not. If you're leveraging a powerful TMS, one that captures your dimensions, understanding actual class and communicating that to your carriers to leverage the best deal moving forward for you should be much easier. I hope you stick with me. I'm gonna bring a lot more fun, a lot more flavors coming at you to explain the LTL industry, and we'll cover everything that happens from point A to point B with your freight.